What's up, guys? And this is us today, and we're in a freaking bad rainstorm right now. Look, check out my buddy. Yeah, staying cool. You need him? I think you need to go.
Let me go ask if I can go.
Crap, Gino, it's raining really hard right now. Like, if this is like the beginning of a freaking rainstorm. Like, man, this is bad. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Okay, guys, like, I don't know if you guys see this as well as I can, but it's raining hard. Like, my screen's wet right now. Like, bro. Seriously, like, it's raining hard. See, my friend's gotta go now. Dang! Okay, man, like, it's raining hard and his bike's over here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's raining freaking hard, and I don't know if people can come in. Crap, dude. Oh my god. Freaking lightning right now. Holy crap. Man, this ain't good. It's raining hard. Okay, good. Fart don't go there. Okay, man. Oh, God. Dang. 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 There they go right now. Friends are going. Dang. It's starting to get stronger and starting to get over here. I'm kind of trapped. Water's figuring its way in here. Bruh. Like, bruh. Oh my god, it's so... Oh! It's raining harder. Holy crap. Dang. Oh my god, it's raining so hard. Jesus Christ, it is raining very hard. Oh, why am I still outside? Oh god, that's sprinkling in my face. Jeez, okay, guys, I don't know if I can keep filming this because it's raining hard. I need to go inside. I need to take shelter because this is very, very bad. Like, it's everywhere. Like, it's surrounding me. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I'll try to get some more videos back on, but right now I can't. It is freaking raining hard. So, have a great day. Peace.